Best-sounding motorcycles of all time. Aprilia RSV4 Factory. The Aprilia RSV4 Factory has long earned its reputation as one of the best-sounding motorcycles of all time, captivating enthusiasts with its distinctive, high-octane Symphony that perfectly embodies the spirit of a superbike. Launched in the mid-2000s, the RSV4 Factory quickly established itself as a technological marvel, renowned not only for its blistering performance on the track but also for an exhaust note that remains iconic in the world of high-performance motorcycles. At the core of the RSV4 Factory lies a potent 999 cubic centimeters V4 engine that pushes the boundaries of engineering and acoustics. The engine's aggressive power delivery, coupled with Aprilia's finely tuned exhaust system, produces a sound that is both deep and piercing. When revved, the RSV4 Factory emits a roar that resonates with riders, evoking memories of racetracks and the raw adrenaline of speed. Its signature note is a blend of muscular bass and soaring highs, a unique auditory experience that sets it apart from its peers. What makes the RSV4 Factory sound truly exceptional is the meticulous engineering behind its exhaust design. Every component, from the headers to the muffler, is optimized not just for performance but also for acoustic purity. The result is a sound that commands attention, whether heard at a motorcycle show or on an open highway. This musical quality has earned the RSV4 Factory accolades from both motorcycle aficionados and audio engineers, who appreciate its ability to convey the emotional intensity of riding. Beyond its impressive sound, the RSV4 Factory is a masterpiece of performance. Its advanced electronics package, including multiple riding modes, traction control, and cornering ABS, ensures that the thrill of its engine note is matched by precision and safety on the road or track. Its aggressive styling and race-inspired design further cement its status as a true icon in the superbike arena. In an era where modern motorcycles often prioritize silence and efficiency, the Aprilia RSV4 Factory stands as a reminder of the raw, unfiltered passion that defines motorcycling. Its iconic exhaust note is not just an engineering feat, it's a declaration of performance, an auditory celebration of speed and power that continues to inspire riders around the globe. For those who believe that the soul of a motorcycle is best expressed through its sound, the RSV4 Factory undoubtedly ranks among the very best.